Hi guys, welcome again to our channel. I appreciate you watching my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to this channel. Please check out this beautiful short hairstyles for beautiful black women. God bless you guys and see you at the end.
I feel loved again. I don't wanna wait for days.
Wow, the appeal of this cut is that it is one of the most versatile haircuts because you can see it for yourself. It can be adapted to suit your hair or various thicknesses and your textures. You can really add your personal touch to it by experimenting with fringe or adding kind of beautiful colors or opting for edgy details like an undercut or even a temple shape. You can also keep it simple and chic, either with a straight layered look. Layering this hair can be incredibly flattering and is created by really cutting your hair at slightly different lengths, because this kind of haircut you're seeing will give your look dimension and volume. So you can kind of cut your bangs so that they can really fall just over the bull line, making for a very flattering look that will really highlight your face. If it's the first time, please subscribe to Wendy Styles. Hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. One thing I love about the style I'm just saying is that it's one of the most versatile and universally flattering hairstyles, or will I say haircuts, and you can see it for yourself that this hairstyles really looks great on women of all ages. When I talk about women of all ages like in capital letter, because it's really a cut that can really highlight your hair texture and give you a polished and glamorous look. You can try this asymmetrical cuts, like if you want that lock haircut with a modern appearance. This style is defined by being shorter on one side and longer on the other, because the result is really incredibly beautiful. It will really draw that attention to the eyes and jawline, because this kind of hairstyles can take years off you, giving you that youthful glow, a sleek and a stretched texture, which will further highlight your cut. Let me not just talk much, just watch to the end of this video, because those styles are really stylish kind of hairstyles that will make you look simple but yet versatile. Thank you so much guys, and see you at the end of the video.
I feel it coming, yeah. Time is of the essence. Oh, I try to teach you, yeah, but I might need some lessons. You don't need no other body, yeah. You don't need no other body, yeah. Only you feel my body, yeah. Only you feel my body, yeah. When they'll say I can't have you, I prove them wrong, I came for you. Days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they all said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere to any mood too. You know, say I still come through. Oh, give me love, yeah, yeah. Forever, yeah, yeah. I decrease for your love. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, you now. I days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they all said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. And you had any mood too. You know, say I still come through. Give me love, yeah, yeah. Forever, yeah, yeah. I decrease for your love. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. I find I give you all you need, and I know what you like. I feel it coming, yeah. Time is of the essence. Oh, I try to teach you, yeah, but I might need some lessons. You don't need no other body, yeah. You don't need no other body, yeah, yeah. Only you feel my body, yeah. Only you feel my body, yeah. When they all say I can't have you, I prove them wrong, I came for you. Yeah, you. Oh, don't need no other body. Only you feel my body, yeah. You loved again. I don't wanna wait for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they all said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. And you had any mood too. You know, say I still come through. Give me love, yeah, yeah. Forever, yeah, yeah. I decrease for your love. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. I find I give you all you need, and I know what you like.
Thank you so much for really watching to the end. God bless you guys and see you in my next video.